What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay!
Hello, Good Hearts and Godsends. My name is Simon, also known as Goodheart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is called RAIN Intensity Effect. Are you a part of a special tribe of people known as Pluviophiles? By definition, Pluviophiles are people who love the rain. They rejoices when raindrops start to fall from the sky. A rainy day forecast conjure delightful images of curling up in a cozy blanket with a hot beverage and a good book. I think I belong in that tribe too. I love rain. How about you? In the tutorial, you will see a lot of raindrops. You will feel the rain even more. Why? Because I am going to make the rain intensified. Are you excited to learn this? Let's start doing the rain intensity effect in Canva. But before that, I am going to show you the sample of the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page. I am going to get my subject photo from Uploads. You can get the same image from Photos by searching the keyword couple under the rain. I will duplicate this photo in another page to make it two. For the first photo, I will set this image as my background. I will zoom in this photo so you can see how it looks like. See, the sweet couple here are all wet. Obviously, they are under the rain. In applying the rain intensity effect, I am going to intensify the rain effect in this photo even more. Here are the steps on how to do it. Let's go back on the second photo in the next page. Using this image, I will remove the background of this image. I will jump into Edit Image, click on Background Remover. If you are a Pro version user, you can automatically remove the background under Edit Image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg. I will put in the description below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Now that the background is removed, I will duplicate this image to make it two. I'll just position it here for you to see both of the images. For the first duplicate photo without the background, I will drag this on the design above, or you can simply copy and paste it over the design. Once you've dragged it in here, I will now apply an effect on this image. I will create white shadow from this image to create an illusion that the raindrops are being splattered in the skin of the subject images. Using this image, go to Edit Image, scroll down and find Adjust Settings. Here, click See All and apply the following settings: brightness 100, contrast 100, saturation -75, blur 40, clarity 100, highlights 100, shadows -100. Then perfectly align this image with the image behind. And don't forget to lock it. See? See how the image turns into a white shadow. Now let's go back to the other page and get the other image I left a while ago. Drag it to over the design above. Here. And then align it perfectly with the images behind, and again, make sure that it aligns perfectly. Now, once you've aligned it, don't forget to lock it. Next step is, we will now add the intensity of the rain. So, in order to do that, let's go to Elements, search for the keyword Rain, Overlay, hit enter, go to Graphics, and a lot of rain overlays will appear underneath. Finding keywords is hard and time-consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep search to help you find the exact stack Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Going back, I will choose the fourth one here, and the particular element keyword is called Rain Overlay. So, select it, use this element as an overlay, drag the sides of it, or simply stretch the sides of it to occupy the whole page like this. Then, don't forget to lock it after. Done! Here is the design using the rain intensity effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspired your creativity. I'm Simon, Goodheart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.